Hi, welcome to the video. I've made this video to help if you're having issues with your Rhino 2. Right, what we'd like to do now is to get into recovery mode. To do that, you press the power on and the up volume together. Don't let go of the buttons. You'll see the Ruggex logo come up. And then you should, if you've done it properly, see the Team Win logo. That's the Team Win logo there. Now what you need to do is you need to swipe it at the bottom to allow modification. So you swipe that across, and then we want to go to the wipe menu. You see a long list of menus there. We want to go onto the wipe menu. Now don't swipe to factory reset, that will delete everything. We don't want to do that. We just want to do an advanced wipe. What this will do will delete our cache, so it'll leave all your apps and your data safe. So let's try this first and see if it works. So you want to only highlight the Dalvik cache and the cache. Make sure nothing else is highlighted at all, and then once you're happy nothing's highlighted, swipe to wipe, and that's it. Take a few minutes or seconds, and then you need to click on the reboot system. Now this is important. Do not swipe to install root. You want to do not install. Do not swipe. Again, press do not install. So then that will restart the phone. And then once it's started up, depending on the amount of apps that you've got, it's going to say optimizing app 1 of 20 or whatever. So if you've got a lot of apps on there, it may take quite a while to sort of optimize those apps and rebuild the cache. So if there's any bugs or anything like that on the system, this is going to rebuild the apps and start from scratch. So this is not deleting your data or your apps. So once it's started, open it up, see if your problem is resolved. Hopefully that's the only problem with your phone, and it should be fine. Now worst case scenario, if there is a problem, you need to do a factory reset. You can take a backup of your data. Make sure you have a memory card put on in the back there, and then we can back up our data with the inbuilt backup and restore app. So it's that app there. You click on it and you can back up your personal details or your applications. Now if you back up applications, it won't back up the data associated with those applications, so you may need to install that or log in again. But with the personal data, you can back up text messages, your accounts, your contacts, things like that. So highlight what you need to back up. You can do a folder name and then back up to SD, and then it will back up all the items that you selected to your SD card. Now once you've done the reset, factory reset, you can then go back into the backup and restore app, and then go to the restore tab at on the top there, and then you select the backup that you made, and you can select which items to restore, and then just press the restore, and your information should come back on there. So now what we're going to do is do a factory reset. You can do it via the Android system, or you can do it via the recovery system as well. So we need to get into recovery mode again pressing turning the phone off for starters. And then pressing the volume up and the power button together. Hold and press until it turns on. Again, I've let go there, but you should keep holding it until it says Team Win. There you go, the Team Win there. Again, if you've already done it, it's not going to say to swipe. So once in the wipe menu, you can do swipe to factory reset, and then go to reboot system. Now this option, again, press the do not install. This option will delete all your data, so make sure you back up your data before you do this. Anyway, thanks for watching this video, and I hope it helps you solve your issues.